My name is Balraj Mann, chairman of BMGroup of companies. Predominantly, we deal with real estate, whether it's building buildings or we restore buildings and civil structures. For me, it's dealing with people, bringing projects together and completing them gives me a sense of accomplishment, and creating this culture of family atmosphere and giving opportunity to my staff and managers is what I enjoy. Envision Financial supports me and tremendously, not only from lending and borrowing relationship, it's also partnering up with us as business people, and some of the senior staff at Envision have been more like mentors to us and who helped shape our careers and our business from the very beginning.
For me, Balraj has now become a part of family member because he has been supporting us year in, year out. Trust and honesty, relationship, dignity and equal opportunity. Balraj carries the same values which we at Envision Financial carry, and that gives me so much happiness.
One of the great things about working with Balraj is that he brings this two-way relationship. He shares his vision, shares what their focus is. Not just today, it's 5 years down the road, 10 years down the road, and even with the succession planning of his son Milan to start getting involved in the business.
I'm excited about the future because we built quite a network of companies. I'm looking forward to what the younger generation and our young employees, manager and our family, where they take the company. I want to take more of a mentorship role in the coming years and make sure that everybody benefits to their full potential from our company and our organizations, and they maintain and improve on the relationships that have already been in existence for the last couple of decades, whether it's bankers or other suppliers or technical associations.